So hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I just went for a walk. I got up at like 5:30 but laid in bed till 6 because I didn't want to get up very well, and then I went for a walk to the beach and it was so lovely, and it was kind of nice to just like start my day a bit more refreshing because I've literally like been feeling a bit down lately and a bit like out of sorts, and I just felt like I really needed to take some time for myself and just go for a walk and be with like nature and just see the ocean. So I did that because I literally haven't been for an ocean walk in so long. It's crazy. So yeah, my skin is like really bad at the moment. I'm going to go see a dietitian and everything to try and figure out if I'm lacking anything and whatnot, because that's something that I'm really struggling with at the moment, and I kind of just want to like document my skin journey through my videos as well. So I used to feel really uncomfortable to like post videos or even photos like with my skin like this, or even just going in public without makeup on, but I went for a walk without makeup on and I seriously feel so good. Like I'm not feeling like people are staring or anything, like, you know what I mean, like you think that people are looking but they're actually not, and it's all in your head kind of thing. So anyway, so I'm just gonna like get ready for the day now. I don't really know what this video is gonna be. I think it's just like documenting my day, just like a little day in the life, I guess, but I just want to like implement some like little healthy habits. So that was my first healthy habit of the day, going for a walk. I'm actually really proud of myself for doing that. So yeah, anyway, let's go get ready. And then yeah, I already just had breakfast too because I was literally starving. I couldn't film that. I was just so hungry from that walk. So yeah, let's go get ready. Okay, so just got into my clothes. I'm just like brushing my hair, I'll do my makeup. I'm basically just wearing this little top. Don't know what it's from. It's from O'Neill, and I'm wearing like these pink pants, but I'll show you them later. So basically, me and my friend, we are gonna go take some photos for our Instagrams. We both love content creation and everything, so we're gonna be doing that. I'll link my Instagram down below if you want to look at the photos we take. They'll probably be up there very soon. I hope they turn out good. Basically, we're gonna be going to the beach, and there's a few like cute spots around there to take photos. So we're gonna be doing that and also get some lunch together. I haven't seen her in a little while now, so it'd be nice to catch up and everything. I can do like a makeup routine video as well if you guys want to see that, just like my everyday makeup routine. I absolutely love this foundation. It's by Chanel and it's literally the best thing ever. And you know when like foundations like really smell, like this one actually smells so nice. It just smells like a moisturizer pretty much, which I actually love. Like instead of like some, I don't even know what normal foundations smell like, but they just do. Me and my friend, we went and took photos like not too long ago at the beach and they turned out so good. So like let's hope that these ones turn out just as good. I have to get like a new like health powder and stuff because I had this one and like, you know when you drink them like in the morning or whatever, so I have like this happy hormones powder it's called, and it's like good for just getting the immune system going, helping like your mood and everything like that. So I was like using that one, but it ran out and I've been using it for so long that I don't even know if it's working anymore. Like I just feel the same now. So I want to like try something else out, like a bit different to keep me like motivated, because I've been really unmotivated lately. Like I did Zumba yesterday, that was like hilarious, but I like went for a walk this morning and I'm like, okay, cool. So I'm like starting to get back into it, but I'm like, I need to do something to like pump me up a bit more to like actually keep going with it, you know what I mean? So yeah, I don't know if I want to wear this. It's like kind of cute, but I don't know. I'll probably change my outfit 5 times before we leave. Love that for me. Oh my gosh, the other day I bought this foundation powder and it literally smashed. Like the first second I opened it, I like dropped it onto my towels. So So sad. Everyone's probably thinking, why is Emma making YouTube videos again? And you know what? The reason is I have nothing better to do with my life sometimes, and I actually like making videos, so here I am, you know? No, but I actually like kind of want to document my life, not for like other people essentially, but like myself. I think it'd be really fun to look back at my life like when I'm 30 and be like, wow, she went for a photo shoot with her friend on this day. Like, it could be kind of cool. Plus I kind of want to like talk about mental health and like fitness and fashion a lot more, and hopefully it can like help some people out, like, and it'll like keep me attainable as well to like, you know, not be a couch potato. Not that I really am. I'm actually like always on the go, and my issue is I always like find it hard to like make time for myself because all I do is work and study. So yeah. Okay, so I've just done my makeup. It's very average, but whatever. Just brushed through my hair and put this shirt on. I don't know if I'm gonna wear this shirt or not yet, but I like made a little pile of clothes that I'm thinking about taking to like get changed in and like for photos. Wow, I can't talk today. But yeah, I'll just show you what I've got put together and then we'll go from there. Okay, so the first little piece of clothing I have is this like little knit from Glassons. It's super cute. So I don't know, I was gonna like wear that with like this collared shirt underneath and then like tuck it in to these black pants. Thought that could look cool, like a little vibe. Then also either wear heels or my platform Converses. Not sure yet. Then I was gonna like do like a bikini with like some denim jeans kind of vibe because we're at the beach, so I was like, oh, that could look kind of cute maybe. Then I have this little pink shirt from Glassons and it's like a little halter, and I thought that could look really cute with like this leather skirt. It's like got a little slit, so I thought, oh, that could look kind of cool. Also I got this headband from Sports Girl on the weekend and it's such a vibe. I literally love this. So I also have this little leather blazer from Glassons. Thought this could look cool just to bring, could go over any outfit and it'll like match it really nicely. So yeah. Decided to wear this little top and these pants. They're really cute. And I'm gonna pair them with, they're a bit dirty, but these Converse. Also I'm bringing these little heels. How do I show you these? Look like this. So I'm just gonna like bring these ones as well for like a change up, and then I'll just bring maybe 2 more different outfits. So yeah, I'm gonna start with this outfit and hopefully we find a cute little location. It's really cute and it's got like a little crisscross back, but hi everyone, so it's been like 3 hours now. I'm with my friend. Hi. And we're just taking photos. So we've in our like second outfit now. We're doing some like content for our Instagrams. And yeah.
Squatting in the back.
Yeah. So we found this really cute location. It's like this. And I like got a photo because I got like pink nails and stuff. So yeah, I thought it looked really cute because I got a photo in it before my other outfit. It was like pink pants because it like matched the background, so I thought that was cool. Now I'm wearing a pink top, didn't think that through, but whatever. I'm gonna get a photo in front of a white wall this time though. I think that'll look nice. And yeah. Okay, so we just found this other cute location, so we're just over there to say hello. And now we're over here, so we're gonna get some Instagram photos here. Hi everyone, so it's literally been about like 3 days now. I did shoot content like after I hung out with my friend and everything, but look, I wasn't like 100% happy with it, so I think I'm just gonna like carry on right now. So I basically just finished work and like just had a shower and now I'm in my pajamas, like whatever. But I'm just gonna be meal prepping now. Sunday I'm meal prepping, and then for the whole week, and I'm also starting the Sarah's Day ebook, like the 1 to 8 weeks I think it's called, the Sweat It to Shred It. So I'm gonna be doing that and having like meal prep. So like I'm not too stressed about the food this week, but I just want to like get into a rhythm of like cooking now and have at least a few meals like planned out. So I'm gonna be making like a stuffed capsicum like with lentils, mushroom, I'll put like zucchini, some garlic, some cheese, like, and then I'm gonna have it with like either salad or like rice or vegetables or whatever I'm having that night. But I just thought if I have like the staple part of the meal done, then I can just put whatever with it, you know. Then I'm also gonna be making some fritters, so it's just gonna be like zucchini and corn fritters, and I thought that would be really nice with some salad. And then like for lunches, when I go to TAFE Monday to Wednesday, I'm just gonna have like either a salad sandwich, salad, or a salad wrap. And I'm gonna buy some falafel tomorrow as well, so can have that on like the wraps as well. So yeah, I thought I'd just like do that, and then I'll just make like a little video montage of me cooking the food and what it looks like at the end. And then I don't know, I'm just gonna like do some journaling and stuff maybe later on. I've got to upload my previous YouTube video that you'll see before this one, so I'm uploading that tonight. My intro and outro is done, so I can finally upload it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that one. I'm not sure, but I just wanted to post it because like I really did like the clothes and everything. I think I'm just gonna have to get used to like looking at myself like film on camera, because yeah. Also, I just wanted to say like it's really important in a healthy lifestyle to make sure you include like friends into that, because I would go on like the grind for like weeks straight and not even see anyone. Like when it was more when Sydney was more in a lockdown and my TAFE was online, like I didn't see anyone ever, and just literally went to work, came home, studied. Like that was literally it. Like I didn't even do anything, and it really like put me in a bad state of mind. And like because I wasn't really communicating with people, and since we as humans have to communicate to be like happy most of the time, like it was really hard for me because I like wasn't doing that. So I just wanted to say like including that into your week, or like try and like include it every so often, just because you can't like just be like, oh, I'm just gonna do this, because you get into like a weird state of mind, and then you end up crashing because you haven't like made time for yourself technically. And you know, you're important as well. Like it's not all about fitness, it's not all about getting your work done and studying. Like you need to put time out there, like have friends and have a social life as well. So I just wanted to say that. So I thought it was really fun to like hang out with my friend the other day and like take photos and everything, because like it's really important. What is my hair doing? Oh, I can't.